All right, morning crazies. Some information came to me recently that the other night a friend of mine was riding through Portmore and he was riding slowly. For whatever reason, he just never let rush gone away. And two youth panagringers rolled up alongside him and right behind him. Them light did turn off and they must have the regular muffler on the crayons, not the loud muffler. Anyway, they ride up on him and hold on him knapsack and pull over. So for him feel it and look over him shoulder and realize what going on, him say him just shake and rev. So when him rev out, leave them now, next thing him hear explosions. And him coulda hear say them a fire. But him a ride see him and say, well, if I hit this, When him reach him further away and feel like him, outride them and check. Him have one graze in him face. Obviously one of the round end time helmet from the back. Graze him on him cheek and exit the helmet through the front visor. So when I said to him and them say just that I go on right as in a Portmore area in a vicinity, the 100-man, the stoplight near to 100-man station there, so big intersection. Somewhere near there, so him say go on the other night. So man, then just be careful as you have to navigate the roads in. I send a picture of helmets too.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!